Hello guys, welcome ulit sa ating panibagong video. For today's video, pag-usapan natin is King Wing. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and then click yung bell icon para lagi kayong notified. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook para sa mga game updates, MMORPG updates, and game features. So, umpisa na natin. Now guys, we already here at King Wing. So, you can visit my comment section para sa link ng Kinguin and you can purchase PC keys or activation keys, in-game items, and gift cards. No? So for Kinguin, so Kinguin is defined as a digital marketplace, guys, no, ng third-party uh, trade ng activation keys for video games, super licenses, in-game items, and gift cards, no? So as you can see at the right side, no, may nakalagay na recommended for you. So kapag ginamit niyo yung link ko guys, makikita niyo ganito, no? May discount siya from like this one, like Mecha Chameleon PC Steam account. 445 siya pero pag ginamit niyo yung link ko is 193 something na lang ang presyo. And also, we have the best sellers here. So, makikita niyo yung mga cuts ng discounts once na ginamit niyo yung aking link na nandiyan sa comment section. So, just go to the comment section, click niyo yung link, and then log in. And then, you can check kung ano yung mga app and subscriptions na kailangan nyo. And then, go to purchase or proceed to purchase. And then, so on and so forth. And makikita nyo naman, ang laki ng mga discount once na ginamit nyo yun. And as you can see, hindi lang 'to sa PC or ano, hindi lang siya sa PC games or, like this one, 11 Loves Top Operator 1-year plan. So, like 6,000 plus yung kanyang, original price pero 'pag gumamit kayo ng siyempre ng link ko is nasa 5,000 something na lang 'no, 'yan. And then YouTube Premium, which is global for 12 months premium. So, from 5.7K, drop to 3.4K na lang. And other games like the Mafia 3, Warhammer 40,000, Space Marine 2 PCC, Steam CD Key, no? Dating 4,000, ngayon is 1,000 na lang. So, marami pa yan guys and as you can go deeper checking the website, let's go on sa pre-page, no? And for the pre-page, like this one, Stream Without Limits, no? Meron tayong YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, Crunchyroll, no? Yung mga mahilig diyan sa mga anime, and then other top up like the Amazon Prime, HBO, Disney, anything na merong kinalaman sa subscriptions. And then iTunes, ayan, may USD, may European, so may nakalagay naman diyang exact amount in peso. So if you will go on YouTube at gusto mo na subscription for 3 months, so almost 50% yung cut once na ginamit yung aking link na nandiyan sa comment section. Let's go on Discord deals, no? So ang dami niyang access since ano siya, global ah, site siya for this particular items and gift cards for different softwares, no? And like this one, meron tayong Discord Nitro, 1 month subscription. Dito is nasa 400 something lang. 467 pesos, no? Makakapag Discord Nitro ka, no? And then for the news and noteworthy, meron din dito kay Kinguin, no? So dito, yung mga top offers from the EA Sports like the FC 26, yung World of Warcraft Midnight, Modern Warfare 4, and then the Battlefield 6, no? So kung mapansin nyo, lahat yan is CD key and PC Steam accounts, no? And also they recently releases Echoes of England, Assassin's Creed Black Flag, First Light, at saka yung Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. And then yung upcoming releases will be shown, no? So kung i-check nyo yung check all pre-orders, no? You can go to pre-orders and makikita nyo na dito yung mga upcoming releases and also released 150 results found, no? And nandito yung Halo, yung tatlong to. And then, Blood of the Dawn Walker Eclipse Edition, no, meron din diyan. And then Star Wars is Combat, 'yan. And then the Turok Origins pre-order system key. Kompleto siya guys, and as you can see, bibili niyo lang siya and then may mga makukuha kayo ditong off, 'no. And then for the Pro Tools, 'no, so dito papasok yung mga subscriptions guys, like the Office. So meron ditong MS Office 2021, 2024, 2019, Windows 11 Professional, and MS Office Professional plus ISO key. And dito ay naka-discount din kayo guys. And then, let's go on the create, edit, and produce. So we have the image, video, and then the audio uh, editors, no, like the Adobe Creative Cloud, and then the Photoshop and Lightroom, and then we have Skylum Luminar Neo. And then for the video, meron ditong Wondershare Filmora and Movavi Video Editor Plus na 2026, no? And isa na lang yata 'yon. And then for the smart tools, no, like the Display Fusion Steam GIF, no, meron din dito. And then the Gemini AI or Google Gemini na 18 months, no, region free, and then nasa 400 lang. So you can use, na nandiyan yung link ko sa comment section, and then i-explore nyo tong Kinguin kasi marami kayo dito makukuhang discounts and additional percent off, no. And then once nakinik nyo yung CS2 sites guys, no. So pwede kayong pumili diyan, no. Ayan, no. Pwede niyo bisitahin yung mismong site guys, no. Using Kinguin. And then for the games, ayan, nandiyan naman siya lahat. And then lagay nyo lang, yes, I'm 18 years old. So yes nyo lang. And then that's it. So you can visit all the sites available dito sa ating Kinguin account, no? And the rest is nasa sa inyo na guys. Kung purchase kayo, just don't forget to use my link in the comment section. See you on the next video guys, and peace out.